Okay, we are going to go over Kansas Rocks Off-Road Park. It's not too far over the border into Kansas from Missouri. And since we came in from Missouri, I'm just showing you from Interstate 49 how to get there. The GPS in my truck took me up Highway 7 and then this dirt road cutting across. That's an awful way to go. So if your GPS tells you to go that way, don't listen to it. Take 54 on over to 125th Street and take that up. That Highway 7 is very narrow, and then this whole stretch right here is dirt roads, and that was just really a cruddy way to take. Zooming in to the park, when you get there, this is where you'll park at. All along here are RV hookups. It looked like they provided electricity for RVs, so all along here is where the RVs hook up, and we just parked out here. Tried to stay away from those sites so we didn't block people from getting in. When you first enter the park, you can see primitive camping here. To the left here are a playground, some bathrooms, and I believe a shower house. To the left is where you'll check in and pay, and they have a small store inside. To the right is another set of bathrooms with a sink outside, and just past that, I believe, is where you can empty your tank for your RV. were some ledges and little areas that I had to take a few tries at to get up, but we were able to get around pretty good. For us, Kansas Rocks was about a 2.5-hour drive to get to, but for us it was well worth the drive. Facilities are great there. We really enjoyed the trails. The people working there were super nice, and we would for sure come back. While for the most part the trails weren't too hard, there were a few that could get you.